Hello, hello tracers, hello OriginTrail community. I'm Nico Paolangelo and I'm the founder of Dispensa dei Tipici. Dispensa dei Tipici is a platform that distributes typical products from Apulia and Basilicata in the south of Italy. We started from Puglia and Basilicata in the south of Italy not only because we live here. We started from our regions because we produce a lot of typical foods and we have a lot of very small producers. Moreover, here we have a lot of tourists that are visiting us. Once back home, tourists ask for foods eaten in the place they visited. And we registered a lot of Italian-sounding foods that are fake foods similar to that one we produce here in our regions. Moreover, there are many people interested in safety and quality foods, and they want to know each steps of the food production. We want to adopt a QR code as a label that certifies the authentic typical product, both for food, both for craft. We want to adopt the OriginTrail protocol into our platform that have to certify all the steps in our supply chain from the producer to the consumer. We think our platform and our solution could be scaled to all that area that are both touristic and agricultural. You can find more info about us, about our typical products, about our lands, about our producers on dispensadetipici.it.